Welcome to today's lesson on variable declaration in C programming. Let's explore a fun example that takes place in a fictional space cafe. In this program, we declare three types of variables: a string, an integer, and a floating point number. First, we declare a string variable. This line creates a character array named drink, which stores the name of a special coffee. The text inside the quotation marks is the string value. Notice the part that says \Nebula Blend \. The backslashes before the quotation marks are called escape characters. In C, if you want to include double quotes inside a string, you must use a backslash before each quote. This tells the compiler, don't end the string here, this quote is part of the text. So when the program runs, it will display Galactic Mocha Nebula Blend with the inner quotes visible on screen. Next, we declare an integer variable. This line creates an integer variable named cups and assigns it the value 2. This represents the number of cups of coffee the customer wants to order. Then, we declare a floating point variable. This line creates a float variable named cost and assigns it the value 3.75. This is the price of 1 cup of coffee. A floating point variable in C is a type of variable used to store decimal numbers, also known as real numbers. These numbers can have a fractional part, unlike integers which only store whole numbers. Finally, the program prints out the order summary. It uses the printf function to display the drink name, the number of cups, and the total cost. The total cost is calculated by multiplying the number of cups by the cost per cup. In this line, the part %.2f is a format specifier used to control how the floating point number is displayed. The %f tells the program to print a floating point number, in this case, the result of multiplying the cost per cup by the number of cups. The .2 means we want to show exactly 2 digits after the decimal point. So if the value of price is 3.75, the output will be total cost, $7.50. The $$ is just part of the text string, it's not part of the format specifier. It appears before the number to make it look like a price. Here is a look at what takes place if we execute the program.